You hear that?
It's the Big Pig song!
There was a pig, and he was big. He liked to dig and wear a wig. He did a jig and ate a fig. He was a big pig.
I can't hear you!
There was a pig, and he was big. He liked to dig and wear a wig. He did a jig and ate a fig. He was a big pig. Sing it softly. There was a pig, and he was big. He liked to dig and wear a wig. He did a jig and ate a fig. He was a big pig.
So, then, nakakahang 100 grams ka. So, meaning medyo hindi siya. That's another sign. And dahil di ba sa Morindog, yun ito magamit itong sa procedure. Sa kira, pag wala siya reaction mo na nakalupad ko siya, promise. Kanya, sa may problema mo, nag-erect yung balungan, ingit po ka? Okay, sorry. Oy, nag-put siya. Nagsara lagi siya matapos na ta. Ganawa ko eh. Oh, nice one. Ay! Kasi kali mo eh. Kani mo ng tama. Oh, asa na? Hindi ko. Na, dahil na po. Ano ko, Tess? Dik. Okay, ikyat, tabangi. Yan, atas nangyari ito, kunan sila ng mga kaya yung isa kaya si Jadin and wala yung reaction ng baboy. So, that's another sign na in-heat siya. At ngayon naman, nakikita natin na si Miss Darto Bada ang sumusubo para malaman natin kung ang baboy ba in-heat. At dahil sa hindi siya na-react, so, in-heat nga ang baboy. Oh my God, you're so dramatic.
Dua ka buko.
Kuya, pwede ko yung assistant niyo, kuya?
Dili, ay na lagi kadlok.
Okay na, lugo tayo. Dito. Gantiya.
Yeah! Manadya?
Yeah, nabigyan ko na ba yung
Oh, gablink madagoy.